Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, Jchenelle. I'm Janae, and today we got a whole different scene because Janae's going camping this weekend. A lot of people, every time I told them this, they're like super shocked that I'm going camping, and I don't know why. I mean, I'm a girly girl and I like fashion and stuff, but camping is really fun. So I decided to take you guys on my church camping trip that we're going on this weekend. It's Friday at right around 5, so we just got here to the park. It's Brown County Park in Nashville, Indiana. It's a couple hours away from where I live. So we just got here. Me and my husband's cousin drove up together, so we're going to set the tent and everything up and get everything set up. So if you want to watch this video and see what I did on my camping trip, stay tuned. So here is our setup that we have so far. There's only one chair because Adam's coming with the rest of the stuff. And when I drove with my cousin, I didn't want to put a whole bunch of stuff in her car, but this is what we have going on right now. It's our tent. It's just, basic tent. Nothing really to see in the back. Open it up. Honey, I'm home. And we got 2 air mattresses. And it's a 6-person tent, so there's like a decent amount of space. We really probably need to get another smaller tent because it's just me and Adam in there. But that's our setup. This is the rest of the campground. So guys, the lighting is tragic right now. But when you're out in the woods, there's no electricity, so there's no lights. Adam, I'm filming. So right now, here's our little tent. Here's our air mattresses. There's Adam.
I don't have a pouch on my side.
It's on the other side over there.
That was stupid.
He's being ratchet. But, right now we got our tent. We have the rain flap on, and I really want to take it off, but I'm scared, so
I ain't scared enough.
I want to take it off so that we can see the stars tonight and show you guys the view. But right now we're in the tent. There's not really much to film because it's dark right now. So whenever I wake up tomorrow, we'll have church service. I'll film some of that. We'll go on a hike and things like that. So I'm gonna get a good night's rest and see you guys tomorrow.
Until the dawn.
Adam, I'm filming.
And we
Morning, guys. So it's Saturday morning.
And?
Just woke up and need to get ready because we're gonna start church service in like an hour and a half or something. So the night was good. Slept, normal for being in a weird place. It's peaceful, frogs and crickets and all that stuff. But
We did have our rain flap off, but in the middle of the night, Adam was doing the most, and we had to put it back on. So I'm gonna take it back off tonight, and then I can show you guys the stars. But
No stars to that camera you got.
But anyway, I'm gonna get up, get ready, we'll eat breakfast, and then I'll take you along while we drive to wherever we're going. And just to give a little insight as to why we're going to church on Saturday instead of Sunday, up until Roman Emperor Constantine changed the solemnity from Saturday to Sunday, the seventh day of the week, which is also Sabbath or Saturday, was considered the Lord's Day. I have the fourth commandment on the screen. There's also several other scriptures that mention this as well. If you have any questions that are Bible related or Sabbath related, just send me a message and I'll be sure to get back with you. So after we had church service, we took a little break and then ate, took another little break, and then went on this hike with a few of the church members. It was like 1.1 miles halfway, and we're just about at the halfway point now. So we just halfway finished the hike, and there's up there.
It's a beautiful dog.
And here
Where's that guy playing with?
is the lake.
You said you was gonna walk on water.
No.
Oh, excuse me, walk in the water.
That's a nice looking dog you got there.
Hey, thank you.
Mm-hmm.
Can we say hi?
Say hi.
This is Apollo.
Hi, Apollo. You're pretty.
Halfway done, another half to go. Okay, I'm not gonna look at the camera because I need to look at the hike or at the trail so I don't slip off this cliff and die. But I think we might be a little bit lost. We're almost finished, but I don't know, this just seems like a long walk and it's uphill, and I just hope that we're not lost. We separated from our group, which is like the perfect setting for a horror movie. But we still got a few hours of sunlight left, and we know it, we're at least on a trail. So I'm hoping we pick the right one. But bruh, this is so steep. Oh my gosh. Pray for you, girl. So guys, we made it. We're out in civilization again. Well, my version of civilization because we're still at the campground. But we made it out of the hike and we didn't die. We didn't get eaten by any bears. So now we have to find our campground. Not quite sure where it is, but we'll find it. So after we went on the hike, we decided to take a shower because we were a little torqued. And then we just closed the Sabbath, ate a little supper, and now I'm just attempting to roast some marshmallows. So guys, I'm back again, and as you can see, everything is dark. Lighting is terrible. I was gonna try to show you the stars, but the camera's not picking it up because they're just so faint. There's just still a little bit too much light from people's flashlights and fires, but it is so beautiful. If I can get some pictures, I'll try to insert them. This is our last night. We're gonna wake up tomorrow morning, pack everything up super quick, and then head out so we can start back to normal life. But this was a wonderful camping trip, as it always is. I hope I inspired some of you guys to go camping and made you realize it's not as scary as it seems. If you like this video, make sure to comment and hit that thumbs up button. Also make sure to subscribe to my channel and turn on your notifications so you're notified every single time I post a video. Come back again, and thanks for watching. Bye!